Okay, friends, this is my nephew's house in Johannesburg, and I'm flying right on the edge past the house. I'm sitting there on the lawn, if you can see me, in front of the laborers' quarters, and I'm passing over the edge to the neighbors. As you can see, that long thing that looks like a broom is actually a cell tower which they've just decorated to look like a tree. This is the neighbor at the back. Quite large acreages, anything from 2, 3, 4 acres are these lots. This is the outskirts of Johannesburg. Johannesburg is way in the distance. You cannot see it through the smog. Looks like a little cemetery over there behind this broomstick. This is a open lot, and those houses that you see in the distance, the shiny roofs, that's where my brother lives. He's renting a villa from the owner, who's got a couple of businesses over there. He rents out some space for body shops and furniture factories, and there's a massive gym, and he's got some rental villas all over the place. Here we're passing over peat moss, or kind of a growth thing he's doing there. This little pool is in front of my brother's villa. Flying right over his house now, and I'm turning back. Still there's that little cemetery and the antenna right there. This is a beautiful place right here on the side of the road. That's the neighbor at the back from my nephew Werner. Now we are on our way back to where I took off. These trees are the backside of his property. There's his house right there on the left right now, and I'm going down on the right hand side of his property. The neighbor on the downside, where you see these two little houses, was actually a minister of something in the government. She bought this property, and he thought she's going to put up some kind of a nice palace of a house, and then she comes and builds these two little shacks. So maybe she's planning on building these little shacks or little flatlets or whatever you want to call them on her property, because they are allowed to do that. This is the neighbor on his right hand side as you come up the driveway, which you can see. And I kind of like just zoomed in. I was tempted to come way lower, but I'm still a little afraid of this stupid drone. I don't want to crash it or get stuck. But he's got a very big, large house. We stayed there because my brother's place is not that big anyway, and I'd rather visit with my nephew than my brother. And I'm sitting right there on the grass in front of the labor's quarters. He's got, I think, 2 working outside and then 1 in the house as well. There you can see me sitting and figuring out how to get this thing back. I'm flying it manually in, and then at this point I think I pushed the button and said, "Hey, come home," and it comes back home automatically. Well, this weekend coming, we're going to go to a game farm up north, so hopefully I'll get some nice videos flying the drone in the game farm. wild game. All right, see you soon.